guys, Flying Falcon here. Today we are playing Roblox Jailbreak, and we're going to be getting, hopefully, because I haven't succeeded in this yet, the Copper Crown. Now I've been wasting a lot of money buying cars and vehicles. Hope this works out. So first of all, you're going to come to this little town, and you're going to run into this wall. And the reason it's not working for me, because I already did it, so we'll be doing the rest of it there. We'll show a little cutscene at first, and then we'll say, I don't want rocket fuel yet. I don't have Robux, sadly. But it will say, oh please, it will say like, hey, you need to go rob these banks. Well, not rob. It doesn't say go rob. Oh, what am I saying? So um, it says, go get that for me, Hunter. And you gotta rob the jewelry store, the 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 jewelry store, the bank, and the train. Now, train I find the hardest because you go so fast now. So you got a gun. Let's head off to let's head to the. Oh no, I don't have a key card. Okay, I have to think of something for that. You don't have to do it in order. I just did. My first try, I just went um bank, then jewelry store, then train. I wasn't able to rob the train. But then you go to behind the waterfall, and yeah, you find these policemen that are usually over here. I'm not sure. Oh no, they're back here. No, they're over here. They're behind this hill. The policemen that are here aren't there. They're going to be behind a waterfall, and you need to enter a code. I'm not sure of the code yet. I'll find it out later in this video. But without further ado, let's get to the jewelry store. So jewelry store first, and now I'll see what's next. Okay, guys, I just got arrested. But second try to kill him. Now, once you're arrested, you don't need to go back to the house and smash into it again. You can just continue trying to rob. But I think you might have to stop do the robbing again. I don't know. Without further ado, let's take the police on. So guys, there's police guy driving us to the bank. So maybe not that first. We're doing the bank first apparently. So let's go. So he also let us pick his key card. Go higher. Cause you know what? We're gonna be skydiving. You see the bank over there? That's our target. That's our target. Uh, I'm going to clean the base. Okay. Okay. Oh, the train! The train! I'm going to try and rob the train. Oh, this is going to be close. Oh, I'm not going to be able to do it. Oh, no, no, that's dog train. No! Alright, well. Okay. Oh, we get, where do we go now? So I successfully skydive. The city's over here. Yeah, bye-bye. Hoot, hoot. I mean, cheep, cheep. There's our lift. Then look. Ooh, I do watch out for that one. Okay, so we're gonna head to bank and do our key card. That's why I didn't say. That's why I said, hey, you should be bank immediately because we have a key card. What's that noise? Oh, great. I realize that's the case. Run. He's not even going. He's busy turning the lights on. Turn on this way. Can't get me through here. Okay. So through here. No, these are really fast things. Really fast. Oh, they're really good. And, okay, so I'm gonna hide here for a bit until, okay, people, hopefully, um, third time's the, third time's the charm. I think that's what it is. But guys, it might take multiple episodes to get this copper crown. Hey, hey, um, don't shoot me. Don't shoot me. Go. I know they be coming. They be coming. And I haven't done anything wrong. No, I'm not falling for that trick. No. Hey, you. Hey, you. I dare you to arrest me. Okay, that's a dead man. I got an idea. Run. Okay, I'm done running. Now run toward them. Hey, my left without me. Bing bong. Hello. Hello. Okay, guys, I made it out. What? Oh, oh you nice. You're the nice guy, remember? Okay, never mind. That was the guy that went skydiving with us there. Hello. Is this open? What is that noise? Wow, they're all police. No, not all of them. That's the all of them. Oh, I'm being shot. I'm shot. Go, run. Run. So much for an attempt. Oh, turn in. Turn in this. Oh! Don't shoot someone that's innocent. Get one. Turn this way. No! Oh, look at me. Oh, okay, guys. Oh, man, you have luck here. OMG. OMG, so many cars here. Maybe fourth time's a charm. I'm not counting on it though. Yeah, as I said, this might have to take a few videos. What might be cool is like one bank. Oh no, that won't work. Oh, someone's been shot down. I need to see this. This is news reporter flying Falcon XYX. How can I help your assistance? As you may have noticed, I've upgraded my character a bit because I think the old me was a bit bad. Hey, did this guy drop anything? No. So this is news reporter James, and James is going into here, and oh, hello, zombie. What do you think? Yeah, yes, yes, you chuckle. Zombie says no. Oh, my escape. See, zombie speaks a different language to most people. Oh, I need to break you out. Welcome. Oh yes, this guy. Thank you, thank you. Oh, you get shut down. This is news reporter James. We are lift and go. This is the news helicopter. This is 7 news. Why doesn't it show the letter 7? So the guy was nice enough to give me his card, but I was so mean that I left without him. I hijacked his vehicle. Hello, and stole his helicopter. Lao. Funny. Oh, 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 I failed again. I just want to be. Ow. I just want to be a news reporter. I want to be a news reporter. I want to be a news reporter. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Why are you going? Since there isn't much things to do, I'm probably just going to be a police. And the rest of you people. And basically, what we are going to be doing for the rest of this episode is arresting people. You can we arrest. Really? I will become the flying falcon. Yeah, I'm not so much the flying falcon, aren't I? No, that really hurt me. Hello. Okay, one more attempt at skydiving. One more attempt. Probably gonna finish up this video. Wrap it up like a wrap, yo. I can't think of any more words to the song. It's not even a song. Oh my god! Okay, so that's the prison. If you want to see the entire prison, that's what it looks like. I have to say well done to the people designing this, because this is good. I like this game a lot. I really do. This is as far as we can go, apparently. So let's jump. Whee! Is that the helicopter or no, that's the wall? Are you coming? Anyone here? What's this? Okay, what's this? Is this light? Oh no, yeah. You slow down. Fire. No, no, no. Oh, you were weird. I'm trying to head lifting. What? What? I can't arrest you? Can't arrest you guys. I got one. Dun dun dun. Yay! So guys, let's go wrap it up for this video. You're a very tall man. So, little dance party. Okay guys, so I'll see you in the next episode, which would probably be Real Fan Forces or maybe some natural disasters. I don't know. Why don't you leave in the comments what I should do next? So without further ado, bye. Don't shoot me.